Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a cooking segment and I made a poll on my Instagram and asked you what you guys wanted to see, and you said beef empanadas. I think 61% winning over papa rellena, which I will still probably do because I want to eat both, and there's nothing but time now, so I've got lots of time to make some food during quarantine. Today I'm going to be making beef empanadas, and I have my husband helping with the camera back there. So these are the things that you're going to need for this. You're going to need some ground beef, a small red onion, some garlic cloves, a little sazon packet, a little Goya sazon, these Goya empanada discs. I get these from the frozen food aisle, and these are, they come frozen and then you just thaw them out in your refrigerator. They come 10 to a pack. I'm only making 4 or 5 today. Some tomato sauce and some vegetable, or I have canola oil for frying them in. So yeah, let's get started. Turn your stove on to a medium heat. Peel and dice both your onion and your garlic. So I've chopped my red onion and my garlic cloves. Now I've got my pan heated up to about a medium heat, and I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil, about 1 to 2 teaspoons, and start sauteing my onions. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes, and then in the center add your garlic. Okay, when your meat is browned, I'm going to season with some salt and pepper to taste, and then add your sazon Goya packet. So I'm using half a pound of beef because I'm only making half of the recipe that I normally would. So if you want to double up on a pound of beef, use, let's say, about 2 small to medium red onions and about half a cup of tomato sauce. You can use tomato paste and add some water or beef broth or chicken stock or whatever you've got. You know what, it's quarantine and we gotta use what we've got, you know? So, okay. So I'm going to let this simmer and lower the temperature to a low temperature, and just let that cook for a few minutes while I get my oil in my frying pan ready. So because I'm only making a few, I'm just going to use a small pot to fry the empanadas in. Okay, so I'm going to pour about 4 cups of oil, and there's measurements inside. So 4 cups of canola oil, and I'm going to turn the temperature to about a medium-high heat and get the discs ready to fill with the meat. Next, you are going to get ready to flatten out your discs, and if you have a rolling pin, bust that baby out, but I don't, so I'm using a flat, rounded water bottle. I've done this before and it worked out fine. I am now prepared with all the baking accessories, so this is just gonna have to do. So these come individually separated with a wax paper, so it makes it easier to separate because they're kind of sticky when they come out. Okay, so you're going to take your disc and just start flattening it to Don't press too hard, but just start going kind of once on every side. Just thin them out a little bit so that they are stretched enough for you to put enough meat filling inside. Modern problems require modern solutions. So as you can see, this is the original size, and then I flattened it out to about this size. Okay, so I've turned off the meat. If you want, you can let it cool down, but it's fine if it's still warm. You're gonna start and hold the disc in one hand, and with the other hand, you're gonna scoop your meat and put it right in there in the center, and then slowly and carefully start folding it towards the center and pinching all the edges together. Once you've sealed, just press all the way around lightly to make sure that the disc is sealed, and then you're going to use a fork and press on the edges like this, just to make sure that it's really sealed and the juices don't spill. And you're going to do that on both sides. Flip it over and press again all the way around. Not too hard so that it breaks, but with enough pressure just so you know nothing is spilling out of there. Make sure to get your oil to 350 degrees, and then you're ready to start frying. So you're going to very carefully, very gently place your empanada in the pot. Okay. You're going to want to let it fry on each side for a few minutes. Okay, when it's nice and golden like this, it's ready to transfer over to a plate with some paper towels and to let it cool off for a bit. Okay guys, here are my empanadas. I made 5, and one's a little extra crispy. And you know how there's always a throwaway pancake when you make a batch? This is my throwaway empanada, which I'm not gonna throw away because I'm sure it's still delicious, but it looks like an ugly chicken nugget. But it's okay. You know what? My empanadas are not gonna win any blue ribbon contest or anything, but I'm sure they taste delicious. Yeah, they're nice and crispy on the outside. Oh, you can't hear that. It's an SMR. What is it called?
ASMR.
ASMR moment. Let's taste them. It's really good. Alright guys. We're going to chow down on some empanadas. I will see you in my next video, and thank you for watching.